Hey, hey guys, it's me. I know I may look a little odd right now. I'm filming my hair video, me doing this hair, and I wanted to do some makeup because I felt like I didn't really know how I felt about this hair, really. So I said, you know what, I'll do some makeup to cope. But I also said in that video, and also the video where I dyed my hair initially, that I like having my eyebrows the same color as my hair. As you can see, my hair is red now. So, you know, I tried to do it with dye. It didn't work, so instead I'll be doing it my way. I'll show you how to do it. Now, I'm not really sure if there's a better way than this. There probably might be. It's like sort of like set it more concretely, because I know that these ones, if you touch it, your fingers will be red. Anyways, we're just gonna go for it, you know. I'm not really sure if there's anything specific I should do. So we're just gonna experiment, really. So I've got some setting spray, and I'm gonna first spray my little spoolie with it. And I'm gonna brush my eyebrows out. You should probably do this before you set your makeup. But I am going a bit willy-nilly today, you can tell. Okay, we're just gonna sort of not shave, but run the setting spray through it. I think that this method of just simply doing your eyebrows would be good. Maybe some type of eyebrow gel or something to slick it down, but I don't have that right now. But I used to have it, but I don't have it anymore. So I'm gonna take the color pencil. We're just honestly just gonna start coloring it in. It's sort of just, yeah, this might be a bad angle, but you can just already sort of tell. I want to start here with a bit more hair and color it in, back and forth. The hairs will really pick up that color quickly. There we go. And I would say when coloring your eyebrows, less is more, because you really don't want to do too much. You know, you do whatever you want, but yeah, I don't want to do too much. As you can see, I'm not sure if you can see very well. Just got a little bit of color on it. We're gonna keep going. You wanna go down here where the hair is a bit thinner on your eyebrow. At least for me it is. And you just want to go upwards and just sort of follow where your hair goes. Whichever one is in a household, oh damn yeah man. Oh, never knew, no I never knew that you be a freak. I just sort of want to shape it. See, I got a little too much there. A little bit back and forth. Get the color on the brows. Well, I wouldn't say more so. I would say more so on the skin surrounding the eyebrows. And then back here, you want to wave your hair. But back here, I definitely say just go a little easy because it is thin and there's less hair. But this is how it's looking, and I'm gonna repeat it on the other eyebrow. Brush it. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Scruff it up. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Coles, you in dental school. Alright, and then back here. Young Taylor, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. NYX professional makeup pencil. It's, oh my gosh, my eyebrows are getting crazy. Yeah, this is where sometimes it can look a little crazy, because you get color on the surrounding part of your eyebrow. That's why I need to clean it up. I'm gonna grab a paper towel. Just hold it, make it a little pointy, and you can use anything, but I'm gonna use the same cleansing water I use on my face. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. I'm just gonna clean it up. This is definitely getting to my makeup. But that's okay, I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, you want to clean the hair. What do you mean? You want to clean the excess color up. And then you can just go back in and use the spoolie if you feel like you've taken off too much hair. So I'm gonna use the spoolie again at the front. Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it because I come to defeat. It does look a little insane right now. I won't even lie to you, but then again, so does my whole face. Hold on, sorry, let me fix my makeup real quick. I would say this, if you're a person who like really does your eyebrows, then coloring your eyebrows might be easier for you. I don't do much to my eyebrows besides like pluck and like spoolie. But I'm just taking a little bit of concealer and putting it above my brow. Just blending out. Okay. I definitely feel like it does look a little crazy still in real life. But this is how I color my eyebrows. Now you can see my eyebrows match my hair more. Alright, that's all for this video.